Hello everyone, welcome to Expertizer Academy's AutoCAD Fundamentals tutorial. My name is Raghulan Gauthaman, I am your trainer. So let's first get an understanding of what is AutoCAD and who is it for and what are the things that will be covered in this training and what am I doing here. Alright, to start with, what is AutoCAD? AutoCAD is one of the pioneering CAD softwares which is in the industry for the last 30 years. And it's one of the very first programs which get pretty popular around the world, and Autodesk is the company which produced AutoCAD. AutoCAD started with 2D drafting, later they moved to 3D, parametric design, and then they introduced several vertical and horizontal products. AutoCAD is the very first CAD product successfully used across industry, across globe as a CAD software for computer-aided design. Now, AutoCAD has got several vertical products. If you take civil, we will have Map 3D, Civil 3D. If you take mechanical CAD, electrical CAD, and several other vertical products which sits on top of AutoCAD. And then there is also horizontal, which is Revit, Inventor, a lot of other products which comes as a suite of products within Autodesk. Autodesk is one of the leading CAD software provider, and AutoCAD is not just one product that they provide around 30 different softwares which works pretty efficiently within AEC industry. If you are within architectural engineering and construction space, AutoCAD is one of the primarily used softwares. I would really recommend that you learn it and put it on your resume, as this is going to be very essential for you. Okay, and what are the things that we're going to cover within this training? First is using all the basic tools, starting from basic 2D drafting to little bit of 3D modeling. And this software, in this particular training, we're going to focus on all the foundation things. And also we're going to see how to manage objects such as layers, such as groups, properties, and how to actually use different commands within the AutoCAD interface. What is a command line? What are the different types of command and how we can actually manipulate it? And then on top of it, we're going to go into some more in-depth idea of dimensions, how to create dimensions, use dimensions, and a lot of other things that comes along with AutoCAD. It's going to be a pretty huge course, and it's going to be very, very efficient for you guys if you're going to be inside the AEC industry. And now, my name is Raghulan Gauthaman, so I'm your trainer. I've been working in this industry for the last 15 years. I worked for an Autodesk reseller for almost 7 years, and I also worked for a lot of other BIM and engineering companies. I worked on a lot of AutoCAD customizations, template development, plugin development, and also drafting and designing and 3D modeling works. And I have also done several other courses as well. I have done Civil 3D, SketchUp, Tinkercad, Microsoft Project, Monday.com, Adobe Captivate, and Adobe InDesign, and Microsoft Project, and plenty of other trainings which I have done within Expertizer Academy. You can contact Expertizer Academy to book my time